Namaskar, good afternoon to all of you. Today I will discuss before you a very important topic included in biology, that is bacteria. The bacteria are a specific type of bioorganism. They are included in plant kingdom because these bacteria have a definite and a specific type of cell wall. Due to presence of a specific cell wall, these organisms, that is bacteria, are included in plant kingdom. They are so small, that's why these bacteria are known as a microscopic bioorganism. Bacteria were first observed by a Dutch scientist, Antony van Leeuwenhoek. In the respect of Antony van Leeuwenhoek, he is known as the father of bacteria. He observed and discovered the microscopic bioorganism bacteria by observing a number of specimens. The bacteria have a definite shape and size. As we would talk about the shape of bacteria, then we find that bacteria are different shape and size. They may be rectangular, squarish shaped, star shaped, even spherical. And there are some bacteria, they have a specific shape. For example, Vibrio cholerae, a bacteria that produces cholera disease in humans, is comma shaped. So, the bacteria are diverse in shape. Bacteria are both beneficial and non-beneficial for humans. In beneficial activities, these bacteria are important source to produce wine, vinegar, chemicals, fertilizers, even important medicines that are also known as antibiotics. Antibiotics medicine are formed with the help of bacteria. They are much importance. It is very important in every part of human life. There are some bacteria which are also found in our intestine, that is responsible for producing vitamin B and K in our large intestine. On the other hand, these bacteria are causative agent of a number of diseases, both in plant and in animals. In animals, there are a number of important diseases. For example, if we would like to talk about some important diseases, they are as number one, the disease tetanus. Its causative agent is Clostridium tetani. Second, disease cholera. It is caused by a bacteria Vibrio cholerae. Third, anthrax. caused by the bacteria Bacillus anthracis in cattle. Third, meningitis. It is caused by a bacteria Neisseria meningitis. So, if I would say that a number of diseases is caused by bacteria, then it is true. Thank you for providing us the time and opportunity. Once again, I thank you.